Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. So we got a competitive market on our hands, lack of inventory and lots of people offering on houses. Do you need to offer over the list price? Well, sometimes yes, most of the time no. The key is to look at days on market. If it's got anything over 8-9 days on market, probably not over list. Under that, if there are multiple offers, then yes, you might. But first, run the comparable sales. Have me or your agent look at what the comparable sales are in the neighborhood. Make sure the value is where you think it is. You shouldn't be going above the value of the home, above the appraised value, unless this is the only house for you, you're a cash buyer, and it doesn't matter what your lender thinks the value is. But if you're using financing, you probably want to make sure you're not overpaying for the home. So, should you offer over list? Sometimes, but most of the time not, and most of the time it's not far over list. Hope that helps. If you have any questions on a specific property, give me a call. I'll be happy to help.